In this tutorial, we'll go over how to add contacts to your Campaigner account. You can either upload them, copy and paste, or add them one by one. Once you've logged into Campaigner and you're at the dashboard, simply navigate to Contacts and Manage Contacts. Let's start with a list upload. We'll click on the Import Contacts button. You can add contacts through file formats such as CSV, XLS, XLSX, VCF, TXT, and TSV files with a maximum file size of 500 megabytes. To add a file, we'll click on Browse and choose the file that we have. I have a sample Excel file that I'm going to use. Once the file is processed, click on Preview and Configure. If you have a header row in your file and they match the fields in Campaigner, they'll automatically be mapped. If for some reason some fields are not mapped, you can use the drop-down arrow to choose the field that you want to map to. If you have a column that is not mapped to any fields in Campaigner, you can either map it manually or you can choose to create a new field on the fly. It automatically takes the heading. You can change that if you want to, and you can choose the type of field it needs to be. For this, it will be text box. You can also assign a default value. We can click Save and add another, or Save and close. You have actions on the right-hand side, such as Add and Update and Add Only. You can choose to trigger workflows and autoresponders during import, and choose whether or not the file contains column headings or not. You can also insert blank values to nullify any values that are currently there. If necessary, you can choose a delimiter, date format, and qualifier. From here, we'll click on Assign Mailing Lists. I'm going to choose List Upload Tutorial. We can choose one or more than one list if we want to, and also we can create a new list on the fly. I'm going to click Import. Once the upload initializes, you'll see a progress bar, and once it gets to 100%, it will be complete. Let's go over how to add contacts through copy and paste. Go to Manage Contacts again, click on Import Contacts, and choose Copy and Paste. Let's go ahead and copy our data from our Excel file. If you include the headers, you will not have to map them. Let's go ahead and paste them in the box. Then click Preview and Configure. You'll see that these fields are already mapped. If we did not choose the header row, we would have to manually map these fields. Follow the same process as earlier. Assign a mailing list and import. Last, let's take a look at how to add contacts one by one. From the dashboard, click on Contacts and Manage Contacts, and click on Add New. Here, we can add an email address, first name, and last name. We can designate this a test contact for testing purposes, choose a status, and add any other information we want, such as phone and fax on this right-hand side, as well as choose what type of format the subscriber should get emails in. And we can also fill out any fields that we have for standard and custom fields. From there, you choose Save and Add Another, or Save and Close. I'm going to choose Save and Close. There you have it, the 3 ways to add contacts to your Campaigner account. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to contact our support team.